Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So today it is an interesting lesson which everybody is expecting and facing in our day-to-day life, that is business English. Okay, and this lesson will be useful for many people as well as business people and some third year college students and the students who are doing in first year who are going to take business as their profession. So in this business English, there are many parts which is going to be posted continuously. So I want you to keep watching my channel and stay updated with all the tips and lessons which I'm posting in my channel. Okay, let us get into the lesson. So let me suit my first question. So you may think, what is business English? Business English is the type of English used in business contexts such as international trade, commerce, finance, insurance, banking, and many office settings. So apart from business English, you can think like it is an formal language which is used in offices also. So, business English, this some of the phrases can be copied from this even in our office atmosphere also. So, we can take it in a second part as formal conversation. Okay. So, business English is like it is a common English which is used in contexts such as international trade, commerce, finance, insurance, banking, and many office settings. Okay. So, that is the meaning of business English. Okay. Why do we need to learn business English? Okay, because this is the most essential tool that you are going to able to utilize the corporate world. When you want to face the corporate world, you must be more confident and sharp to face them. Okay, but some people, even though they have a good qualification, nowadays they are not able to survive in this corporate world. So that is why we need to develop our business English. If you fluently use your business English skills, you are a top professional in the corporate section. Okay, and these lessons will be helpful to become a professional in this corporate world. Okay, the most straightforward and possible ways have been mentioned here. So I want you to watch it very keenly and understand what all the things I have mentioned in this. Okay, so you may ask, how can we use the business English as an international language? Why business English is spoken as an international language? Okay, the skill that you have been using in business English nowadays won't just apply to accompany you in the local area. When you speak a good English, you can just go to other countries closing your eyes without thinking about the next thing, because the topmost qualification uh, needed for us to survive in the all over world is the international language. So when you speak a good business English, I assure you, you can survive in any part of the world without any hesitation. Okay, that is why we need to learn or practice. Instead of telling, you can tell practice. Okay, you can practice business English today. And you may ask, what is international language? International language is the thing which you can speak in any part of the world. Okay. So some people used to tell us, if you speak Hindi, you can survive in all over India. If you speak Tamil, you can survive in Tamil Nadu. Some people say, if you speak Malayalam, you can survive in Kerala. But if you closing our eyes, okay. So that first when you switch on to that, and next you can take it to the promotion level. Next you can take it to the second part. Okay, so start learning your business English today. Okay, what is the difference between regular English and business English? You may ask, ma'am, I'm speaking good English. What is the difference between regular English and business English? So, some people, they are using it, this type of business English in some meetings, contracts, emails. That is called business English. Okay, and business English is called as a universal language. But apart from that, the regular English is what we speak now. Okay, let us keep it like this. If you want to go and attend an interview or attend a meeting today, you will start making your preparations, right? You will tell like, ma'am, I need to do this, I need to do that. Why you are planning like that, or why you have to do like that, or why you have to take efforts for making your English better? Because the thing is, you are going to show yourself in front of 10 or 15 people or a team of people. Okay, there you need a role where you can show yourself. This is what we need, and this is what we are practicing every day. Okay, instead of practicing it, why can't we make it into a regular English? Why can't we change our business English into a regular one? Instead of speaking regular English, you can start speaking a business English. Okay, now I hope you would have understand what is the difference between regular English and business English. Okay. Okay, and you may ask, Mama, what is working abroad? Okay, some people, they have the ambition to earn more money, and they want to go and work in international companies. If yeah, why not? Even if someone calls me, I will also go. So each and every one of us want to work in abroad. So when you want to go and work in abroad, or when you want to work in an international company, the first weapon to take in front is your business English. So start practicing your business English, okay, which motivates and shows your personality into a top level employee. Okay, and if you always wanted to grow into someone as successful in the corporate world, so business English is the key where you can achieve all your goals in your life. Each and every one of us are having a different level of goals in our life. For example, I want to marry my sister, I want to build a new house, I want to put my child in an international school. So each and everything needs a lot of money. So if you get a good job, and if you get a right placement, that time you will be very happy and satisfied. So I got this. So if you want to achieve that, you have to practice business English. Okay, so that you can achieve all your goals in your life. So if you start learning business English, that will lead you to. So thank you for watching my video. This is a short introduction about business English. So I want to explain more in the further lessons. So kindly subscribe my channel, as well as stay updated to each and every tip I'm mentioning in this channel, as well as I have updated the lessons in Tamil also. So whoever wish to hear it in Tamil, you can go ahead with the Tamil session, which is already uploaded in my channel. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye bye.